Family of Mr. Collins。
接下来是我们亲爱的检验长，还有医疗团队们，把这个模型带进来，我们给他们热烈的掌声。
Our Teaching Eye Center model, let's give it a big round of applause.
A very touching moment from the side. Now let's start to do.
I will give of myself wholeheartedly to bear me through the life of teaching medical vision. Eye Center, we are so excited for the countless of individuals that will benefit from this.
满满的爱跟关怀。